So, dang, is this the new car?
Yes, it is.
Oh snap! Well, I really like what I see, but so is the straight still going on or not?
Yes, it's in perfect condition. Everything works perfectly.
All right, babe. Well, I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and trade my Camaro Super Sport. Here are the keys of the Pegasus. Oh,
Take good care of it.
I will take good care of it. Take care of my Pegasus.
I will.
All right. Well, thank you so much for the trade.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna like this Pegasus Camaro. I guess he doesn't know how to drive stick. Oh snaps, I guess it'll be the new daily car. What a steal. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. As y'all can see, we have a new daily driver. I think you already know what type of car this is. This is a Volkswagen Beetle. And let me go ahead and show you this mint of a steal and car. Alright guys, well let me go ahead and show you the engine of this car. So some of y'all might know where like the engine's located, some of y'all may not. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and see what this baby's packing. What? Double K? There's not an engine here? My bad guys, this is the frunk. But as y'all can see, ain't too shabby. Let me go ahead and show you why this car is so mint. And let me go ahead and show you where the engine's actually at. So go ahead and follow me over here. Don't mind that we have a freshly built 350. The new Harley Davidson we have. A Coco over there. But right here guys, right here. This is why it made this car so special, and I decided to get it. So we're gonna go ahead and pop open the, I don't know, we said like the boot, the front. Basically, guys, so this is a 1500cc rebuilt engine, which technically is a 1700cc right now. Completely rebuilt, has only like 50 to 60 miles, like 50 to 60 miles. Probably a little bit more because I took it to an inspection, but it's a brand new engine, and this is why I made this car so special. And so like reliable. Basically it was like the so we can go ahead and buy it. So yes, we have a brand new engine that has been completely rebuilt, has 50-60 miles on it. It was a good rebuild a year ago, but the last owner, he didn't drive it as much. He only went to Cars and Coffee every now and then. But basically a brand new engine. As you can see, it speaks for itself. Even I was shocked whenever I saw the listing. But let's go ahead and show up, because we're not going to be in the engine, we're going to be in the inside of the car. So, alright guys, this is where I need y'all to turn on the light. Let me go ahead and turn it on for y'all. Ooh. So, another reason why I went ahead and got this car is because the inside of it was completely rebuilt, completely redone. I'm telling y'all guys, this inside is way more better than any of the new cars that are coming out today. So, y'all take a gander, guys. Y'all take a gander. Get those scanners in there. As you can see, we have a GT Racing steering wheel. Everything works, all the gauges work, but there's only one. But a speaker that has Bluetooth on it, a short shifter, and take a look at the carpet. Brand new carpet as well. And also, if y'all come look back here in the back window, fresh sound system. Y'all can see it right there, fresh sound system. If y'all come in here guys, speakers on the doors and everything. I'm telling y'all, this car was completely redone. Like the last owner like really took care of it and was he really cared about this car. Everything's really nice in here. The only thing is that the carpet, the glue came off a little bit, but that's nothing. We just put a little bit more glue on it, some adhesive spray on it, and it stays right back up there. We also have a short shifter. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's down to the left, down, reverse, and But yeah, guys, everything's super cool. But yeah, guys, as y'all saw, good thing I traded my Camaro for it, because this car was worth way more than my Camaro, as y'all can see. So basically, guys, some future plans that we were thinking about doing was, since everything's basically redone, like this is all, like basically a complete car. The only thing that the owner was gonna do before we bought it was paint it. As y'all can see, like they've already done some body work on it, so like everything's like technically like flush. Like there's like no high spots, no low spots. Everything's completely like been retouched, resurfaced. So the only thing that we have to do is get a paint job for it. This is like the car that we have in Two Ninjas right now. That's the most complete, and like we might as well just paint it and get it like completely done. We have these lights. I'm probably gonna get new ones because the new ones are cooler. But yeah, guys, this is the new tuned engines Volkswagen Beetle. I never thought I was gonna get a Beetle one. Now I'm never in my life. But yeah, guys, help me come up with the name for this car. Comment down below. I think we should name this car. I was thinking like guacamole or something. I don't know, something funny. Blueberry maybe, yeah. What's my favorite drink? Sprite, but that doesn't match. Alright, guys, come over here. Come get the scanners down here. Come get the peepers. The eyeballs. So as y'all can see, we have a classic tire. This is actually a Cooker Classic. These tires are super expensive. I looked up. These tires by themselves are like $400 with the white wall. And we have the hubcaps. So yeah, so basically these tires are worth more than like the white truck's rims at the moment, which is super crazy to me. But oh well, I didn't buy them, the other guy did. Another thing, guys, y'all might find super interesting, y'all, is that we only have one side mirror, and that's how all the Volkswagen Beetles come. Just one mirror, because you just gotta look left. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and get the inspection done for this Beetle. Since it's gonna be our new daily driver, so we're gonna go ahead and drive over there, and hopefully y'all can see how freaking cool this Volkswagen Beetle drives. So let's go ahead and start going over there. Let me see.
Okay, wipers.
What was that?
Wipers.
Oh yeah, wipers. Take it. Alright guys, well make sure to stay tuned for the next video when we take this car to a car meet and get some people's reactions. But as always guys, hope y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for future content, and I'll see you on next time.